Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, come test drive the 2013 Camry Hybrid. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and a great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, rear defrost, climate control automatic, climate control multi-zone, FWD. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.